Quezon City. Oh, I mean I don't have any permanent house. Because before, we lived in Laguna where we grew up. And since my dad is working here and I am going to study here, we decided to transfer. It's really hard to cope up in a new environment. And I know living here in Manila was very tough. Because I know Manila was very polluted. Anyway, so much for that. I want you to meet my friends. Come on. Welcome to FEU. Fortitude, excellence, and uprightness. Nine people. Green and gold everywhere.
Yung mga pangit sa ilalim, yung mga service with
Hey, Jenica!
Hello!
Hi! Kaway naman daw.
Pwede na ba? Pwede na ba? Hindi kasi bagay sa
Freedom Park.
Ito ba yung pwesto nyo na?
This is the church.
Sa mukhang mahabong lalaki sa LRT. Hindi ako nakita. Ay, tama ito. Ako ka Marisha?
Green and gold.
Kasama kami.
Hi, Russell.
Libre ko nga yan. Umiyak ko. I'm sure. Umiyak? Umiyak pa?
Hi, Jenica!
Mag-model lang ata yan eh.
What can you say about me?
About you. Si Pao.
What?
Kulit. Pa, ang daming daming naman mag-English yan.
English?
She's very
Wow, go, go!
talented and that's
What? Your English is barok ah. Come on, you can do that.
I'm nakakahiya eh.
It's okay.
Ano pa? Next question please.
What can you say to me again?
You like her?
What? Yes, that's it. What do you like about me?
Like her funny attitude.
Oh, thank you. I welcome. Then,
Next question you can see.
next question. What can you say about FEU? Ay, UE ka nga pala, no? Ma'am, UE yan. Not ipakulo.
Miss you, but miss you.
No, be proud. Kaaway ko yan si Jenica UE, siya ako FEU. Yun lang. Hi, Russell.
Not me.
Not you. She's the girl you shy type. Wala lang. When I was elementary, I was just like this guy. Alone, no friends. But since when I was in grade 4, I do have friends. I developed friendships. And I was very happy about it. I want to share some verse in the Bible that I am holding now. Jeremiah 29:11 says, that for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Uy ka! Hi, Arian! Ano daw masasabi niyo sa akin?
Yan, sino ba yan?
Salbahe? Oh.
Hindi namin kilala yan.
What do you like about me?
Wala.
Woo! How dare you?
We like about you. You are like.
Wow! Wow, your English is deep. We can't swim. Oh, one by one. Si San. Ano sabi sa pizza? Hey! Ano kayo sasabihin? Hi, Super T. What do you like about me?
I like about Pauline G. Gonzalez. She is so good.
She's
Good looking, good spelling.
Again.
Again.
What's so funny? What? Again. Ano? May sinasabi ka?
Sabi ko maganda.
Okay. O si Rachel. What can you say about your textmate? What can you say about me? Wow, what's that? Repeat it again.
1 in a million girl.
Wow, that's good. How about you? Hey, the one who's drinking the... Go. Hey, you have nothing to say?
May super queen.
Hey, you.
Lalo na sa
Si Sandra, kasama ko yan nung simulang sa pool. Kaya pangiti-ngiti yan, parang abnormal nun eh. Game! First impression!
Ako first impression ko kay Sam, kaya ano kay Pao.